Take a ride in the 2016 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, rear all-season, 4-wheel disc brakes, wheel covers, steel wheels, 4th passenger door, FWD. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.